Integrating Stripe Payment Gateway to any website is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, create a Stripe account and obtain your publishable key and secret key. The publishable key is used to identify your website to Stripe, while the secret key is used for server-side operations. Next, choose the integration method that best suits your needs. Stripe offers two integration methods: client-side and server-side. Client-side integration allows customers to enter their payment information directly on your website, while server-side integration requires customers to be redirected to a separate payment page. To integrate Stripe using the client-side method, include the Stripe JavaScript library in your website and create a payment form. The payment form should include fields for the customer's name, email address, and payment information. When the customer submits the form, use the Stripe library to create a payment token and send it to your server. On your server, use the payment token to create a charge. This is done by sending a request to the Stripe API with the payment token and the amount to be charged. Stripe will then process the payment and return a response indicating whether the payment was successful or not. To integrate Stripe using the server-side method, create a payment form on your website that redirects customers to a separate payment page. On the payment page, use the Stripe library to create a payment intent and redirect the customer to the Stripe checkout page. After the customer completes the payment, Stripe will redirect them back to your website. Best practices for integrating Stripe include handling errors and exceptions properly, and providing a secure and seamless payment experience for your customers. This can be achieved by using HTTPS to encrypt payment information, and by testing your integration thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. In addition, make sure to comply with relevant laws and regulations, such as the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard. This includes implementing proper security measures to protect sensitive payment information, and providing clear and transparent information to your customers about your payment processes. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily integrate Stripe Payment Gateway to your website and provide a secure and seamless payment experience for your customers.